to pilot heroes. African brothers, you can use this platform. Send your boys and girls, and you will make them not only pilots, but also fighter pilots. Once again, look to the skies, take out your devices, and let's enjoy the spectacular displays this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, the primary objective of the Ethiopian Air Force Flying School is to select, to train, and educate personnel to become proficient, combat-ready pilots or aircrew capable of operating advanced aircraft and weapon systems. These institutions aim to transform individuals with basic aptitude into professional aviators who can perform demanding high-skate tasks.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for the helicopter formation flight approach towards the show area. They are coming from your right, so take a look to the right, please. First, 4 Mi-17, accompanied by 2 Mi-35 fighter helicopters from the Ethiopian Air Force. The 2 Mi-17 choppers carry the flag of Ethiopia and the United Arab Emirates.
Gentlemen, the 2 Mi-17 choppers now carry the flags of Ethiopia and the UAE.
ክቡራን እንግዶቻችን እንግዲህ የምትመለከቷቸው Mi-17 እና Mi-35 ተዋጊ ሄሊኮፕተሮች የኢትዮጵያ አየር ኃይል በብዛት የሚጠቀማቸው ናቸው። እንደምታዩቸው እጅግ በሚያምር የፎርሜሽን አሰላለፍ በፊት ለፊታችን እያለፉ ነው። Mi-17ኖቹ የኢትዮጵያን እና የዩናይትድ አረብ ኤሚሬትን ፍላግ በማንጠልጠል በፊት ለፊታችን አልፈዋል።
What a beautiful formation by the 2 Mi-17 choppers bearing the flag.
Here is the second group helicopter formation flight. Ladies and gentlemen, take a look to your right, please. 2 AW119 Augusta and 2 AW139 Augusta from the Ethiopian Air Force. Kindly take a look to the right, please. እነኚህ የምትመለከቷቸው ለቪአይፒ የምንጠቀምባቸው የአጉስታ የጣሊያን ስሪት የሆኑ አጉስታ ሄሊኮፕተሮች ናቸው። ከፊት ለፊት የምታዩት AW139 ሲሆን አነስ ብሎ ደግሞ የምታዩቸው AW119 የተሰኙ የጣሊያን ሰራሽ ሄሊኮፕተሮች ናቸው። Ladies and gentlemen, finally be ready for 6 Apache fighter helicopters from the United Arab Emirates Air Force. They are now approaching from your right. Please take a look to the right. And get ready your camera, don't miss it. The Apache helicopter, Boeing AH-61 Apache.
Ladies and gentlemen, and now be ready to watch the Boeing AH-64 Apache. The Apache helicopter offers formidable performance as a heavily armed all-weather attack platform, boasting speeds up to 182 meters per hour, powerful twin-engine performance and advanced systems like the longbow radar for target acquisition, enabling it to detect and prioritize threats day or night, while its robust design and integrated defenses ensure high survivability in combat. Key features include high maneuverability for its class, Hellfire missiles, 30mm chain gun, and cutting-edge sensors. Here it comes, ladies and gentlemen.
Comes, ladies and gentlemen. Please enjoy this spectacular. Now, combat turn to the right. It's a combat turn to the right. Now they are going to make landing. And the next pack is approaching to us. There are 4 Apache helicopters from the United Arab Emirates.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Apache helicopters from the United Arab Emirates. The Black Lion Air Show is a celebration of international cooperation, and we're honored to witness this aerial displays from the United Arab Emirates. The Apache helicopters now landing. Ladies and gentlemen, take a look. The Apache helicopters now landing. What a spectacular display this afternoon. This is the Ethiopian Air Force, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Black Lion Air Show, where the lions rule the sky, Ethiopia. Once again, a very warm welcome. Welcome to the 90th anniversary of the heroic Ethiopian Air Force. 90 years of flying the Black Lion into the sky. Ladies and gentlemen, the Ethiopian Air Force is the result of the heroic stories built in blood and bone over the past 90 years. That history has been surpassed today and is in a new spirit and advanced technological positions. This afternoon, look to the skies. This afternoon, witness the modernization that our Air Force has undergone. Indeed, 90 years of a heroic journey, 90 years of invincible glory. This is the Ethiopian Air Force. The courage we inherited from our ancestors, the Black Lions, accompanied by the technology and knowledge of our times, means that even today, our heroes reign in the Ethiopian sky, proclaiming Ethiopia, where the lions rule the sky.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for the fixed wing training aircraft formation flight show. From primary to advanced jets, they are now coming from your right. Please take a look to your right. The first AL Train Albatros is a basic jet qualification aircraft flying in a three-ship finger chip formation. You can now.
Ladies and gentlemen, the L-39